It's Sunday night, the Sunday before Christmas, and you guys all know what I'm messing with tonight. So anyhow, I moved that 10 through 20 meter inductor back about an inch or so, like we discussed Friday night, and I installed Leo's low impedance strapping on the band switch. I've got all the bands wired 10 through 80. I do not have, 160 hooked up yet because I'm too scared. So we're gonna just play with these bands for now. But right now I have 20 meters loaded up, and only strange thing is I got a little bit of grid current that's being shown on that grid meter, which it shouldn't be pulling any, but I don't know why that is. And obviously it's not pulling any plate current. It's some sort of meter inaccuracy. But that meter does read correct with my VOM in its place. So anyhow, we're running 4 kV on the plate. We are running 50 watts in, and at 50 watts in I have 1500 watts out. That's 760 mils roughly, and about 65 milliamps of grid current into that big ass dummy load there, courtesy of K1JI. Thank you very much. That wouldn't be possible leaving this thing keyed down at 1.5 gallons, waiting for the smoke to come out, which I hope it never does. A little power supply sag around 3400 volts, typical, but the supply's holding up good, and fully loaded down. Temperature on that tube is about 102 degrees, 104 degrees. It's not bad at all. That tells me I'm pushing plenty of air through that tube. Still at 1.5 gallons. And everybody's happy. And nothing on that plate choke. Just a little bit of heat probably being transmitted up from the anode of the tube. So everything looks pretty good on 20. This is the first band I've checked since I have redone this tank circuit for the 3rd time. But so far so good, as they say. So that's it. Thanks for listening, and have a great holiday, everybody. KC1I, big gun. Call the fire department. Have a great night.